I'm a professional sofa and cushion maker with years of experience creating comfortable and stylish designs. We make all kinds of sofas, cushions, and upholstery with top-quality materials and perfect finishing. Our goal is to bring beauty and comfort to your home or office furniture. If you want custom designs or sofa repair, we're always ready to help. Thank you for watching, and remember, Taseer Cushion Maker means quality, comfort, and care. Where are you watching this video from? Tell me in the comments section, and don't forget to follow the account so you can keep getting this interesting video.